Hey guys, what's up? It's Gabby and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you all how to make a terrarium. I was actually making a couple of these with my dad to gift to a couple of family and friends, and so we thought it would be a great idea to show you all how we did it. If you like this video, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. Comment down below if you decided to try this out, and don't forget to hit subscribe. Now, let's get on with the video. Alright, so I actually want to run through all of the supplies that you're going to need. First thing that you're going to need is a container. We found this one from Home Goods for $7. It's just this circular glass container. And then I also found this really neat one. It has this wooden base. I've actually seen this at West Elm for $50, and this one was only $20 at Home Goods, so definitely a steal. And I think it would be so pretty as a terrarium. You're also going to need a couple of plants. I picked these up from Home Depot. This one is a spear point ivy. This one is a Rex. And this one is dragon's tongue. All right, so now that you have your container and your plants, you're going to need some soil. We're actually going to be making a special soil mix, and I'll explain later as to why we're doing this. But to make it, you are going to need some regular potting mix. This one is from Miracle Grow. You're also going to need some orchid mix. You're also gonna need some sphagnum moss. You're also going to need some natural charcoal. This is going to help purify the water and kill bacteria in your terrarium. You're also going to need some stones. I picked up this one from Petco. This is where the water is going to sit, and it's just going to help filter out your terrarium. Alright, so now that you have all of your supplies ready, it's time to actually start building your terrarium. The first thing you're going to do is prepare your plants. To do this, you're going to need to take the plant out of the dirt and shake out as much of the dirt from the plant roots as possible. Alright, so now that all of your plants are shaken out and out of their pots, it's time to make your special dirt mix. And so this dirt mix is going to be a third of regular dirt, a third of orchid mix, and a third of sphagnum moss. The reason why we like to make this special dirt mix is because it makes the soil a lot lighter, which then makes it a lot easier to plant your plants, and it holds water a lot better. So now that your plants and your special dirt mix is prepared, it's time to actually put your terrarium together. The first thing that we did is we put down an even layer of the stones. Then we went in with the natural charcoal. It doesn't matter which order you put the stones and the natural charcoal in. So once you have your stones and your natural charcoal down evenly into your terrarium, it's time to put in some of that special dirt mix that you made. Now it's time to actually put your plants together. This part is really up to you and how you want to, put your plants in. You can also put whatever types of plants you want. We chose these plants because this is what was at Home Depot, but you can totally put some succulents in this, or I think even putting in some moss would be really nice. And you can see how easy it is to put the plants in the dirt. You can literally just stick the plant inside of the special dirt mix, which is exactly why we made it. Once your plants are planted, it's time to water it. You want to make sure that the first time that you water your plants, you're using bottled water, just because the water that comes out of your sink has chlorine and other chemicals in it. So just to help out your plants, you want to make sure that you use bottled water. And that's how you make a terrarium. This is so simple and easy. You just need a couple of supplies. If you like this video, go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Comment down below if you decided to try it, and don't forget to hit subscribe. See you on the next video. Bye.